If you're looking for the best Hosting Your Horizons coupon code available right now, this is the deal you want to use before the pricing changes. Right now, you can get up to 30% off Hosting Your Horizons, plus an exclusive extra 10% off coupon code, free hosting for 12 months included, free domain name for 1 year, lower pricing than what's shown directly on the Hosting Your Horizons pricing page, and the biggest savings when you choose the 12-month term. In this video, I'll show you how to activate the exclusive coupon code, the discounted pricing for every Horizons plan, which plan is best, depending on what you want to build, and a few important things most people miss before purchasing. Let's get started. First, go down to the description below and click the Hosting Your Horizons discount link. I've also included the exclusive coupon code right next to the link so you can stack the extra savings. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest pricing available. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hosting Your Horizons pricing page. You should see all 4 Horizon plans available. One important thing to understand is that the pricing displayed on the page is before the extra coupon discount is applied. So once you enter the coupon code at checkout, your total will drop even lower. That's how you unlock the maximum discount. Now let's quickly go over the Horizons plans and pricing with the coupon applied. The Horizons Explorer plan can be as low as $6.29 per month. This is the most affordable option and a good choice if you're just getting started, testing ideas, or building smaller AI projects. Next is the Horizon Starter plan, which can be as low as $12.59 per month with the coupon code. This plan gives you more flexibility and resources, making it a solid option for people building more advanced projects or managing multiple ideas. Then there's the Horizons Hobbyist plan, which can be as low as $35.99 per month. This is a better fit if you plan on building larger AI-powered tools, applications, projects that need additional performance and capacity. And finally, the Horizons Hustler plan can be as low as $71.99 per month with the discount applied. This is the highest tier plan. It is designed for users who need maximum resources, scalability, and performance for bigger workloads. Another important thing, you'll save the most money by choosing the 12-month term. The monthly plans are available, but they cost more overall and don't provide the same level of savings. So if you already know you'll be using Hosting Your Horizons long term, the annual option usually gives you the best value. Another nice bonus included with your purchase is free hosting for 12 months. So instead of needing to buy separate hosting immediately, you already have hosting included as part of the offer. Now let me show you how to apply the coupon code. Once you choose your plan, you'll then arrive at the checkout page. On this page, look for the coupon code or promo code area. Paste in the exclusive coupon code I included in the description. Once applied, you should instantly see the pricing update with the additional savings. This is important because many people only use the default pricing and miss the extra discount entirely. After that, you can finish creating your Hostinger account and complete checkout. Once your purchase is complete, you'll get access to your Hostinger dashboard, where you can begin setting up and using Hostinger Horizons. One thing I personally like is that the platform is beginner friendly compared to a lot of other AI focused platforms that can feel overly technical. The setup process is simple, the dashboard is clean, and it's designed to help you get started quickly. And because the hosting is already included for 12 months, it simplifies things even more. Overall, if you're planning on using Hosting Your Horizons, this coupon deal is one of the best ways to reduce your cost up front and get the maximum discount available. Again, if you want the deal, check the description below for the discount link and exclusive coupon code. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more web hosting deals, coupon codes, tutorials, and website building content. And as always, thanks for watching.